So come again, welcome, and for the third episode. We are previously discussing what are all the struggles we have to face when we have to be work with the normal kind of database structure. And another one problem we have to be faced when we have to be scale up with the relational database. So that will go with a very tough situation. But you may think even today the SQL is having other kind of the technology to implement fast retrieval and then fast feeding of the data, and this is possible. So when we have talked about in the previous traditional database systems, we have to be go with that horizontal partitioning and then so shading. So these parameters is not at all sufficient to handle the new kind of that data. So we have to be migrate the data to the four shards, and then our app seems to be maybe getting that more popular, and meanwhile it seems to be that more painful too. So the maintaining of that entire data sets seems to be that very tough, so in this record. So these are all kind of the issues we are facing when we have to be go with the traditional data structures. And even more problems, the fault tolerance issues, and then so disk frequently fail often because the spindle or that even the SSD, the quick retrieval and then so quick feeding, so surely so that will damage the pipelining structure. Or if it is that what is kind of the things magnetic kind of the plates, sure the spindle also will get a damage on that one part. And we have to be give that replica also. And any corruptions issues may happen, and the deploy maybe deploy that bug, and then the some errors may happen that may be noticed with that several time period after the several time periods. So these are all the problems may happen with the traditional data systems. And this traditional database systems is having the fully incremental architectures also. So we are having either offline kind of application or that online kind of the web application, like web pages either in the PHP that may be developed in the PHP, or in some other kind of the things, and that also be connected with the database. So fourth, and between application and the database there will be the certain limitations also. So we are having that limitations with that infrastructures also. So this is not possible to handle 30,000 GB of the data per second. And now we are facing not only the previous issues, so what we discussed, and additionally we have to be faced and the complexity in that operational and the consistency in eventuality. And then we have to be keep human fault tolerance. So definitely the person, either that admin or that the maintenance engineer, he can't able to bear, or that he can't able to handle the issues or that struggling that will happen in the traditional database architecture. So we have to be faced these kind of that complexities, operational and eventual, and then lack of that human issues also. So what we have to be to do better, so we need some database kind of that architecture that should overcome the problem of the traditional client server based and then server based things. And the data sets should be that distributed. We have to be keep that copy in that several places, and also the retrieval should be happen within that fraction of the seconds. and the data transmission is also to be done within the very less period. That is one part of that second. Everything that should be happen, so then only we can able to say we are enjoying the live kind of that program. So and now we have to be see how we have to be adopt one new concept related with apart from that not related, so apart from the traditional database management system. So stay tuned, and on the next episode we are going to be see what is that architecture is there.